Hey there! Tired of dealing with that pesky Fortnite client entry point not found error on your PC? No worries, I've got your back. I'll take you through the steps to fix the Fortnite error and get you back in the game. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Repair the Visual C Runtime program. First things first, open up Settings, click on Apps and then head over to the installed apps. Then in the search box, type in Visual. Look for the Visual C Runtime program and click on the three-dot icon next to its name. Select Modify from the drop-down menu. Grant permission by clicking Yes. Next, hit the Repair button and patiently wait for it to finish. Once done, close the window. If you have multiple Visual C Runtime programs, don't forget to repair them as well. Reboot your computer and check if the error is gone after it boots up. Solution 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click on the Fortnite shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Then switch to the Compatibility tab. After that, check the box, run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and then on OK. Open the game and see if the error persists. Solution 3. Install the latest version of the Visual C Runtime program. Open the link provided in the video description using your preferred browser. Scroll down to find this section with the latest version of the Visual C Runtime. Next, click to download the version matching your computer's processor architecture. Open the downloaded file. Now, tick the necessary box and click Install. Next, give permission by clicking Yes. Let it download and install the newest version. Lastly, reboot your computer, check if the error is resolved after your PC restarts. And there you have it, folks. That's how you troubleshoot the Fortnite client entry point not found error on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.